Welcome back to Dink Talks. My name is Will, and on the channel we reveal the best products to buy. Today we've picked and reviewed the best models for you and ranked them by price, quality, performance, and more. You can see their prices and find out more information by using the links in the description down below. Now, let's go straight to the list.
In today's video, we will be taking a look at the best rowing machines you can buy this year. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Life Fitness Row GX Trainer. Fresh from the Marquis professional range, the Life Fitness Row GX has been designed and built to withstand the rigors of daily punishing use. Much like the previously mentioned water rower, this unit uses a similar fluid resistance technology to create that natural rowing experience. But here, users can manually adjust the resistance of the water with up to 15 differing levels. Unlike some gym machines, there's no multimedia capability, nor can you download data to smart devices or connect external heart rate monitoring systems. But a small computer does take care of distance, stroke rate, and other important pieces of information. In short, it covers the business of rowing extremely well, but those wanting something more technologically advanced should look elsewhere. Number 4. Viavito Sumi Folding Rowing Machine. The clever folding mechanism on this reasonable little rowers sees it fold upwards so it can stand on its base and be stashed up against a wall, saving plenty of precious space. The 7-kilogram flywheel offers what Viavito calls silent and friction-free magnetic resistance. But that hushed rowing experience means it doesn't feel quite as smooth or realistic as the water rower or those noisy air-powered units on this list. Tall folk might also want to look elsewhere, as this is really only suitable for those measuring 110 centimeters or below. But it offers a good build quality, 10 levels of resistance, and plenty of vital readouts from the little digital display. All that for a very reasonable price. Number 3. JTX Freedom Air Rowing Machine. With its aluminum construction and nickel-plated steel chain, this feels like a sturdy piece of kit. In fact, it has got one of the highest user maximum weight ratings in this list, 130 kilograms if you're interested, along with primo features such as wide padded seat and adjustable footplates. A built-in computer offers a plethora of rowing readouts, while the 16 levels of resistance and multiple training programs ensures there's a workout for all abilities. That said, the overall construction and tough air resistance offered here makes it more suitable for those with a bit of rowing experience rather than someone new to the business, seeing as it tickles a more premium end of the budget spectrum. Number 2. TECHNOGYM SKILLROW. Like much of the product in TECHNOGYM's latest range, the SKILLROW is ridiculously high-tech, offering the user way more than just a platform to idly row in front of 4 music for an hour. The system uses multi-drive technology, which basically adds further resistance to the usual air resistance unit, allowing users to switch between training for cardiovascular fitness and back bulging strength at the twist of a dial. On top of this, it has some excellent connectivity, including its own clever app that offers a virtual cox to get you through those really punishing sessions. Get a number of skill rows in a room, wheel in a large screen, and an entire class can start competing against one another or rowing in total synchronicity for a more entertaining workout. Number 1. Water Rower Natural Rowing Machine. Just take a few minutes to admire the beauty of the Water Rower. Fashioned from solid ash and stained honey oak, it is designed to resemble the glorious vessels found spearing down the Thames during the Oxford-Cambridge boat race. This is more than just a seductive household ornament, though. This cleverly conceived rower features a decidedly moist flywheel that's designed to mimic the feeling of gliding across a watery surface. Rather than some irksome humming of a fan and clanking of chain, users are greeted to the sound of rushing water with every stroke, and the unique resistance mechanism adapts to the user's input. Pull harder and the resistance increases. It's that simple. The result is a seriously heart-pounding, all-over workout that targets up to 9 muscle groups in one fell swoop. According to its U.S. maker, every water rower natural frame is hand-built using solid ash wood sustainably sourced from the Appalachians. It is then stained in honey oak and finished with a light Danish oil. A small S4 performance monitor comes with a package and displays distance, stroke rate, workout duration, and distance without the need to plug into the mains. Although not foldable, the relatively clunky 50-kilogram unit does feature guide wheels at the rear and is designed to be stored vertically when not in use. Although, with a body like that, maybe you want to show off to house guests. And as usual, a bonus, the Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rower. Anyone who has set foot inside a gym will have likely spent some time thrashing away on a Concept 2. The ubiquitous machine is the best-selling indoor rower in the world, and that's because the hardy air resistance system can handle a pummeling from Olympic athletes. The included, the Performance Monitor 5, provides the brain to match the brawn, allowing you to track data such as distance, speed, pace, calories burned, and watts. There's also a good choice of preset workouts, games, and the ability to connect ANT Plus and Bluetooth products for wireless heart rate monitoring. It's not the most handsome, exciting, or quiet rowing machine, but the Concept 2 won't let you down.
You can check out the prices of all the products mentioned on this list in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content like this.
You can also join our giveaway and stand a chance to win gadgets like headsets, projectors, and other cool gadgets from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment below adding the hashtag TECH. The winners will be announced on the first of every month in our community feed on YouTube and will also contact winners directly through the comment they left.